Enhance your home's curb appeal with beautifully crafted residential garage doors in Anaheim Hills, California. At Affordable Quality Garage Doors Incorporated, we bring expert craftsmanship and trusted service to every installation. Whether you're building new or upgrading an old door, we offer a wide selection of styles and finishes. Our garage doors are built for durability, performance, and security, giving your family peace of mind. Choose from top-rated brands known for quality and long-lasting value. Looking for a modern upgrade? We specialize in sleek, contemporary designs with smart opener integration. Prefer a timeless look? We have classic carriage-style doors that never go out of style. Our experienced team ensures a smooth installation process from start to finish. We take the time to understand your needs and recommend the best options for your home. Energy-efficient and insulated doors are also available to help you save on energy bills. Need garage door repairs? We handle broken springs, cables, rollers, and more. Affordable Quality Garage Doors Incorporated has proudly served Anaheim Hills homeowners for over 30 years. We're licensed, insured, and committed to 5-star service with every job. Call us today at 714-630-1565 for a free estimate or expert advice. Visit our website at www.actinc.com http://www.actinc.com to explore our full range of residential garage door solutions. Affordable Quality Garage Doors, where reliability, beauty, and value come together.